Hi, so if you're looking for a nice overhead mobile stand, this video is for you. Hi, welcome to my channel Artsy Hub. So today I'm gonna show you all the one of the best uh, mobile stand, the overhead stand, which you can use it for your art videos while you're making those um, drawing videos, time-lapse videos. And also, this is really helpful in cooking videos as well. So this is one of the best, apart from all the tripods and all the mobile stands that I have. This is not a paid video review, and here we have, this is a holder. So this everything comes separate, completely separate, and you have to just attach it. Attaching it is very easy. And here you have all these knobs here, so you can easily remove this and fix it. So fixing is very easy. You can just insert this into like this, and then you have to tighten this one. Yeah, that's it. Very easy to use. And also here there's a clamp, and this is completely metal, so it's super strong. It's not like the plastic that usually breaks when we tighten. Now here I'll just demonstrate on how we can actually fix this. You have to just tighten this. Yes, now it's tight. So here even this can be adjusted. Once this is tight, actually this can be adjusted. Even this one, you can remove it, you can fix it. This is a knob for that. It's very easy. And the next thing, where you place your phone, and this can be tilted downwards like this, upwards. You can keep it angle, keep it like this. So completely you can cover whatever you're doing here. Similarly, even for the cooking videos, yeah, so this is a pan. It can be easily covered, and it can be kept sideways also. It can be kept over here or anywhere over here as well, upwards. Anyway, so this is one of the best tool that I found online. Yes, like this. You just have to place the mobile here. So here I have placed the mobile in the tripod, and here I have kept my book, and this is, I'm trying to sketch it now. This is a small line. Okay, so this is a neat setup, I could call, with this kind of the mobile stand. So this tripod is very strong, so it has cables here, the springs, and it is not like very loose or tight, too tight. It's very comfortable. A few more tripods. The one more is this, which is also a good tripod. I've been using this from past 1 year, more than a year now, and it's a really good and cheap tripod. And what happens is, here this usually bends if the mobile is a little heavy, and the clamp usually it comes down, just bends a little bit like this. So I would recommend this one if you're going for a little pro version. And this is even say after an year it has become like this, but still works. So I'm not gonna throw it, so it still works. And it has been, for almost more than 1.5 years now. So I respect that. And this one, in fact, is the best one I found online. So I definitely recommend this for your art videos, even if you're doing some cooking videos as well. So this is about the tripods. Thank you. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe my channel for more useful tips and art videos. Thank you.